Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss you about MS Word. MS Word का एकदम starting. So what is MS Word? MS Word क्या होता है? MS Word Microsoft Word. शॉर्ट में हम MS Word बोलते हैं. Microsoft Word is a word processing software developed by Microsoft. You know, it is used to create, edit, format, save, and print documents such as letters, reports, resumes, assignments, and books. So, what is definition of MS Word? So, MS Word is a computer program used for word processing that allows users to type, edit, format, and print text-based documents. So, these are So MS Word is one of the most popular applications in the world for writing documents. It helps user to type text on a computer, edit and correct mistakes easily, change font style, size and color, add image tables and charts, save documents for future use, print documents neatly. And to type text on a computer, typing and editing, formatting, key features and spell check, insert objects, save and print templates. So uses of MS Word, these are the school assignments, office reports, resume, civic liaison, letter writing, notes and documents. These are the use of MS Word. So friends, MS Word is a powerful tool, that helps people create professional documents easily on a computer. So these are elaborately discuss about next video में all these like menu bars, task bars, and these are the tools, standard toolbars. All these. Just Microsoft. What is Microsoft? Microsoft Word definition and what are the uses and these are the बहुत सारा है इतना सारा डॉक्यूमेंट्स को क्रिएट करने के लिए आपको नीड होता है तो फ्रेंड्स आशा करते हैं अगर मेरे वीडियो कुछ इंफॉर्मेटिव लगा तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग